Hello, this is Brandon Johnson, and this is my Module 1 video for EDL 850 School Law. Some traditional demographics about myself, so you all can get to know me a little better. I currently teach PE at Campus High School in Hayesville, USD 261, and that is in Kansas. This is my 4th year of teaching at Campus High and my 8th year overall of teaching in Hayesville, USD 261. I currently coach basketball and baseball, both at campus. This will be my 10th year coaching baseball, and I believe my 6th or 7th year of coaching basketball. I am married 9 years to my wife Chantel. She is also a teacher and actually got a job promotion to be an assistant principal at campus. So we're really excited about that. This will be her first year of being an assistant principal. We have 2 children. My son Carter, he's 5. He's getting ready to enter kindergarten. And my daughter Elliot, she's 3. Some hobbies that I have outside of teaching and working with kids. I enjoy fishing. I enjoy hunting. I enjoy grilling. I enjoy hanging out with friends, watching sports. Some of my teams are the Royals, the Shockers. I like watching the Cowboys. I also enjoy coaching my son. My son Carter plays basketball and baseball. As you can see by the picture here, that was a picture of his little machine pitch team. So I enjoy coaching him, and then I just enjoy spending time with my family in my spare time and just hanging out with the kids. In the future, I wish to be a athletic director, preferably at the middle school level, so I can still be involved in the athletic side of it, administration, and kind of keep that coach in me going once I become an AD. Critical reflection of the administration at my school. The admin, I believe, in my school is aware of all state and federal laws when overseeing operation of the school on a day-to-day basis. They review all of the necessary safety procedures to make sure that staff is informed and make sure that campus can be a safe learning environment for all students. These policies and procedures are reviewed routinely at in-service days, fire, tornado, intruder, active shooter. All of these things are reviewed so that staff is on the same page, and so then in turn we can make sure that the students are on the same page and create that safe learning environment for everybody. They also make sure that special education laws and regulations are being met, making sure that IEPs are being followed, making sure that para support is provided for students in classrooms. They also follow the school district's food and wellness policy, making sure that students' nutrition is up to date to state standards and making sure that kids are receiving those healthy meals so that the learning can continue at school. A self-critique of myself. Let's see. I believe that I know some of the basic laws as it pertains to reporting abuse and neglect of students. I believe I have a good knowledge of school safety procedures and the role that I play within those procedures. At my school, we have different teams that meet to review those procedures and make sure that they stay up to date. And then in turn, we make sure that everybody knows the role that they play. I'll be honest, I'm sure there's plenty of laws and regulations that I'm unaware of, but I believe through communication and collaboration with my peers, fellow teachers, administration, that I could find the answer to whatever it may be, as it pertains to law. But I don't think everybody knows every law per se. But I am looking forward to this class to increase my knowledge base on school law and add some stuff to my playbook. My plan of improvement. I think networking with administration to stay active in my learning. Basically just being a lifelong learner. not settling, thinking that I know everything that there is to know, because I know that I don't. More reading and research of laws to increase my learning base, and then remaining up to date on news and current legislation um, as it pertains to schools, making sure that I stay on top of that stuff. Um, like I said, just being a lifelong learner, um, knowing that I don't have all the answers, I think is going to be key and important to my plan of improvement. Anyways, this is my Module 1 video. My name is Brandon Johnson, and I look forward to working with everybody. I wish everybody a happy, safe 4th of July. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.